All right, welcome back to the weather segment of the Fairbanks Evening News. We are going to say, Mike, have a good 2 days off while we go ahead and take a look at your weather. Looking at the almanac, normal high is 71 degrees, normal low is 36. Our record high in 1999, I remember the year well, 85 degrees for a record high, a record low of 36 degrees in the 30s. Our daylight was 3:07 sunrise and sunset 12:39 equals 21 hours, 30 minutes exactly. That's a gain of 4 minutes over yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we can see on the Alaska satellite imagery. Okay, see, pretty much wet all the way on the west coast and into the Alaska Bowl area, or the Anchorage Bowl area rather, and that could creep its way up here towards us toward the weekend. We're keeping an eye on that for you. Let's take a look a little bit better around the state. As you can see, rain all the way up to Barrow actually, and rain towards the what am I trying to say? Southwest, thank you. As well as Ketchikan, looking pretty nice in there, and in the interior, mostly overcast skies, temperatures in the 60s. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the satellite and radar for the lower 48. They're also dealing with weather systems. It's that time of year where things will percolate over the Rockies and then set forth in the early afternoon, causing thunderstorms, severe storm systems moving us into the plain states and also into the northeast rather. States as well. As you can see on the eastern seaboard, plenty of systems we're dealing with, and they're going to be dealing with that for the next couple of days as well. Taking a look at this weekend, continued humid in the, I can't get my directions to southeast actually. Let's say Florida, there we go, exactly. But along the west coast states, plenty beautiful, dry and breezy for them as well. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look to today's forecast where I can just read it right off the screen. Freezing rain for Barrow, a few showers for Nome and Fort Yukon for tomorrow's forecast. Temperatures in the 70s for Fort Yukon, so that's not too terrible. For the interior here as well, you can see a chance of storm for Fairbanks. Cloudy skies for Healy and Delta. We're still going to have temperatures in the 60s, however. Taking a look now at the southeast, rain for Juneau and increasing clouds for Ketchikan, so they were sunny today, clouds for them tomorrow. Let's take a look quickly at southwest and see what we can see. Well, rain everywhere. Bethel, Cold Bay, and Kodiak. Light rain for Bethel, but temperatures in that upper 40s to lower 50s. Taking a look into the south central areas, rain for Homer, Valdez, and in Anchorage, and that's the way it's going to be for the next couple of days. Interesting. It's just a really wet summer so far. Let's take a look at fishing conditions while we're at it. Some halibut, but nothing really big. No salmon yet in Valdez. In the Kenai River, well, it's closed to early run king salmon, but there are some rainbows around, so good luck to you if you're going to go down there. Matanuska Valley closed to salmon fishing until June 14th. All we can do is sit and wait for that to open. Okay, very good. Let's take a look at rivers and lakes. Fishing is picking up at Quartz, and Arctic grayling still being caught at Nordale Bridge, but it's only catch and release. Too bad, so sad. Thank you to Jeans and the Boat Shop for bringing us our fishing report each and every week. Taking a look at our forecast for tonight, the remainder of tonight, overnight low 44 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and as we take a look at tomorrow's forecast, 69 degrees. We might break 70 just yet, but there is chances of isolated thunderstorms. And then if we take a look at our extended forecast, temperatures will rebound by Sunday, but then dip right back down into the 60s by Monday, but it's still warm. It's nice. Look at those overnight lows, 49 to 50 degrees. That's where it's at. So any kind of activities you're doing, even if it's in the late night, still guaranteed warmth.